Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the largest real value of x that satisfies this equation. And in the question, we were told that this value of x is greater than 9 over 10. Now, to solve this problem, let us start by taking log of both sides of this equation. And to make life easy for ourselves, we are going to take log to base 3 over 4. So when we take log of both sides of this equation, we have log to base 3 over 4 of x to the power 16x to the power 20 plus 1 is equal to log to base 3 over 4 of 3 over 4. On this left-hand side, let us apply the power rule of logarithms. That is the rule that says that we can bring down this exponent to the front of the log term to become a multiplier. When we apply that rule, this left-hand side becomes 16 times x to the power 20 plus 1 multiplied by log to base 3 over 4 of x is equal to. Now, remember that log to base 3 over 4 of 3 over 4 is equal to 1. So on the right-hand side, we simply have 1. Now, let log to base 3 over 4 of x, that is this, be equal to d. Of course, from this statement, you know that 3 over 4 to the power d is equal to x. So we have that x is equal to 3 over 4 to the power d. And of course, from here, we now have that x to the power 20 is equal to 3 over 4 to the power d raised to power 20. But of course, you know that when we have two powers like this, all we do is to multiply both of them. Now, with this substitution, we can now rewrite this equation in terms of d. So we have 16 times x to the power 20 is now 3 over 4 to the power 20d plus 1. And of course, log to base 3 over 4 of x is now equal to d. And this is still equal to 1. Now, let us look at this equation. Notice that when d is equal to 1 over 10, this left-hand side is going to be equal to 16 times 3 over 4 to the power 20 times 1 over 10 plus 1 multiplied by 1 over 10. Of course, 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. So this is 16 times 3 over 4 squared plus 1 multiplied by 1 over 10. We have 16 times 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is 16 plus 1 multiplied by 1 over 10. Of course, this is going to cancel that. And we have 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. And of course, 10 times 1 over 10 is equal to 1. So this equation is satisfied when d is equal to 1 over 10. Now, let us come back to this. Or rather, let us come back to this second equation. You see that we can find a value of x when d is equal to 1 over 10. So from here, we have that x is equal to 3 over 4 to power 1 over 10. And when we evaluate this with a calculator, we have that x is approximately equal to 0.97164. And we can see that this is greater than this value of x. So this is the largest root of this equation. Now, just for the fun of it, this equation has two other real roots. The second root is 0.88113. And the third root is, of course, this is approximate, and the third root is approximately equal to 0.76545. So these are the three roots of this algebraic equation. Now let us substitute this value of x into the original equation to make sure that the equation is satisfied. We start by evaluating this exponent. So we have 16 times 3 over 4 to the power 1 over 10 to the power 20 plus 1. Of course, once more, 10 into 20 is 2. So here we have 16 times 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is 16 plus 1. This cancels that. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So this is x to the power 10, which of course is 3 over 4 times 1 over 10 multiplied by 10. This will cancel that to leave us with 3 over 4, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side of the equation. Now, one more thing. This is the only value of x that is given by a rational d. The other two values of x that satisfy this equation are given by values of d that are irrational. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.